Hi bro, namaste. Yeah, as you requested to do video regards to this head grill. Yeah, so here is the video for it. And actually even I went to JC Road to install this 2021 model head grill, but they said no sir, still not yet received this 2021 model head grill. So if it comes, we'll let you know like that. So I went to HDR mods, yeah, which is located in BTM Levitt. And yeah, I can see here actually this head grill, it's 2020 model head grill itself. So let's explain you how did he fit this 2020 model head grill to 2021 model. Right. And yeah, which you can see that first hole and this one, yes, actually this fits to 2020 model head grill, and this second hole for 2021 model head grill. I'll show this side also. And yeah, I said before itself, this is 2020 model head grill, and you can see your first hole and it will fit for 2020 model bikes. And this second hole is there now. Yeah, this one, it will not come with this. Actually, as I said, it is 2020 model head grill. We'll get only on this hole, and the second hole is there now. The second hole done with that showroom guy itself with the help of drilling, and here and also here. Yeah. And if fix it with screw, I'll show you this side with the help of screw here and also here. That's all. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. If really you like this video, please do one like and do subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.